My name is Sölvi Melax. I'm the founder of Heimaleiga. Heimaleiga was officially founded in 2017. I started off renting out an apartment I was living in, and we have around 160 apartments at the moment. When we were looking for a new PMS or property management software, we were very much focusing on finding a solution that was designed for our needs. Guesty has helped us to scale and be ready to scale. And we will be ready to service between 250 and 300 apartments next summer. Almost all of our guests are foreign guests coming to Iceland for vacation. It's a lot of families that want to stay in apartments, and our average stay is quite long, so it's people coming here and staying for quite a while. We are focusing very much on only apartment hotels. We want to be very good at what we are doing. We want to offer a great service for a very good price. We are seeing an occupancy of between 85 and 90%. Guesty is designed for having multiple apartments, so many apartments with multiple owners. So providing our house owners with a good service and being able to service them very well has been a lot easier with Guesty. Our favorite feature is the accounting solution. It's saving especially me a lot of time, and that's time saving at the highest management level within the company, and it's providing owners with a very good transparent solution on finances, which is very important. The more we are scaling, the more important it is to have a great software. We are currently operating with 7 people at the office with 160 apartments. We are planning on adding more apartments without increasing our numbers of staff in the office, and that would not be possible without having a software like Guesty.